some I must say alawane yaje na so ye nto me yaba me yaba de ma de asem na asie ne asem asie ne say the same man DC aba bonten aba beto abonten say the omo be fa nurses the omo akwa adwuma for free tie ye pa almost uye nurse ni na utifia after they insulted the nurse. Omo your cortis. Oye, omo your cortis. Omo nka no kre. Omo ye nkontompo fo. Omo keka nsema hodo di go omo so di omo atem eka de omo pe nyina akire wo mu ye no. And then the same party is back say they want to employ the nurses on voluntary. As a trainer say for free, but yeah, Juma for free. Adentia. Omo pese John Mahama prime healthcare policy no and maintain it and sustain it. And if they can sustain it there, omo pegana for necessary. Omo mekwa ko yeah Juma for free. Listen to me carefully. We told Ghanaians not to vote for these guys. Na ne papa panyini wey timbe jina bonten ka kire Ghana for say they are going to recruit nurses on voluntary. Na bra na omote opposition no nsema na omoka fa nurse for ho ebi nie ene de omoka fa nurse for ho abra omo banya power enti
bia se na ho no ye no se ye wie school health professionals ni wie school obefa wonom amomanya adwuma aye inti obi a person ko nursing training there and I also we 24-hour campaign ma aban we 24 hours you can say that because what it means is that anyone is obetwa.
A few moments later,
and by force we nurse adwuma that's also we adwuma da obi enkum Matthias.
I think that we have over-pampered nurses. We have over-pampered doctors in this country. Elsewhere, doctors are the most useless people you can ever find. Elsewhere, nurses are the most useless people you can ever find.
They are protecting their own. Even we got teachers for almost yes, teacher ni ye bibi na ubeka they are doing protective mechanism. We mo nye Christo for, mo nye Muslimi for, omo ye dangerous people. Ghana Nurses Association, national teachers, whatever dangerous societies. Omo forming wa Ghana occultic groups. Omo they supported bad this. Me na mi kaye. Teachers supporting teachers or ye wrong crumb be supporting no. So some groups, you know, association of this occultic associations because group a good grouper. You are not you did not form a group to support your people. You formed the group to make sure that you protect people so that omu helpia omu dibeba sa association no so but enye sa na association Ghana association sa omu for aboneso to protect bad people in their midst. Do you understand?
Enti omudidi anese fo atem ni wie ye na omunim so omode omunsa hihye omuanum no omo say sen eni omuanum no ene the new policy of the NDC ne say come and work as a nurse for free. Listen to this video. Don't get shocked. A rare power. And then the nurse for me Juma for free. Listen.
Also start the process of the volunteer recruitment that the minister has also been talking about. So you also start that process. The volunteer recruitment will involve most of the health professional, but basically you look at the nurse assistant preventive first, and then you look at other assistants that will help. These volunteers will be given some stipends, and then they will also be considered. They will be given some priority when we are going to do the nurse recruitment. This year, the recruitment of volunteers will cover over 6,000 prospective professionals who completed school from 2022 to date. So the 2021 batch that we are currently recruiting will not be touched. The one that you see currently, you know, for the nurses, we concentrate only on 2021 batch, and then we have recruited some. We are waiting to do the others, so they will not be part of the voluntary process.
Yes, and this advance by year Juma for free. Or say they are targeting 6,000 people. 6,000 nurses or Mokwa Juma for free. Voluntary recruitment. Voluntary recruitment. A volunteer. Hey, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We na yese fata o. We na yese. We nso na yefata. Ya na ekoto yaba. Ya na yenya sunsusanso. We wanted to vote because they said, they were coming to give us what we have never seen. Nurses were promised of what? Automatic posting. And then me about ma. Me hear him na bisa say, enti automatic posting system no. And anyway na. Automatic system of posting nurse. And then the brand by year Juma for free na. Maybe I don't think say that is the meaning of automatic posting. But the reality of the fact is say these guys, you know, in 2024, they had a kind of mentality be say either we want or we don't want, they must lead us. That nobody else should lead us. Yewura Mahama is not a new person in Ghana politics. He has been to every level of political steps. So he knew very well, and he knew the dynamics of governing Ghana. So everything he said and he endorsed on his campaign time, he must to be held accountable for that. Because he has been a president before. He has been a vice president before. He has been a minister before. And he has even been an assemblyman before. So he knew every level of Ghana politics, how it works. So if he promised when he was in opposition, it means he knows how to achieve that. That is why we are holding him accountable to do what he promised to do. How can automatic posting tend to be voluntary recruitment? It's not acceptable. You see, men are marked by their words. As some of them free were no. So as some no, and a year day, yet the children will soon know buying any dear way, any dear way. When no mukasa and Eddie who will soon know buying. When no mukasa and Eddie boo who are content. Yewura Mahama has shown credit, say he is somebody you can never trust. Yewura Mahama may who say he is someone that you should never and never trust him. Or can't you say restaurant reform? Or catch a restaurant now restaurant when you buy was near boo boo nine. Now go to do now ordinante. Because he has never stick to his words. Yewura Mahama on he has never been on his toes on his own words. Or can't some ne or chinabeba or can't some fufro with confidence. Etienne, you see about a voluntary recruitment for nurses and doctors and midwives. Nurse for na moji alawana mankotwaba. Nurse for na mote hospital na mo ye campaign DTMPP aban because na the system bi aba muntumi mokro no ene mwakatua monsanka. Mo ana moko training college to be a nurse. Mo se mo nto aba man MPP no. Mo nya adwuma na maye. Mo betena fie saa. Because every way anka finally Ghana my ayi ne ho free COVID man ka ban betumi ahya ase create situations bi ama nyuma ba man no. The NDC is afraid to manage the economy alone. These are the incompetent people that we ourselves, we walked out to bring them in just to come and show incompetency. And to ye Ghana nurse niya, na wunya juma nya, mesrewa, se bo modern, bo homodren, na kope voluntary nursing work ye. Enyunjua wabedidi ewo mifie. Ehwa na obete wasum. Yento asuna yenko yanim on the next topic. Mama kan comments kakra. Yeah. Yewia Gabo say the NDC is misleading Ghanaians that they have left IMF, but it is a lie. They have not even made the last payment. Today, some judge told us that he is doing a coding program and took $2 million. But the program is free program from Google. So what you? Mebo say video no. Meba mo video no. Dollar say don't vote for the people who did not campaign for Dr. Bawumia in the flag bearer race to become the national chairman. Hey, wait there. Campaign indirectly power na wo ye yo. Who to me is winning. Oh, and a justice Opokwajiman say asemo. Mimi Anthony so say hi. Mimi Anthony me mwakwa papa. And I remember Mimi Kuma say your president that used to be a connection man. What do you guys expect from him? Into shemu president. Abusi amfo yento aso na yenko yanim. Yento aso na yenko yanim. Let me go back to Sam George. Na yemo na chi 10 minutes bi. Ewi ana ko IMF for so ensem no so. Abusi message we am kan kire wo hai. Yewi George Gap Media and a tray. Or see ene Sam George can kire the committee the public committee say or ye 1 million coding program bia or the $2 million and a coshame. Ya bo video na tremo but be a nipa wako register ne ho ne personal experience wa be kan dia kire. Abuja meso say like video na share ma me subscribe to the channel na be kan busu ko no so we subscribe ya na o don sa bo akoma no so na video no promote me da sepa. Edi kan bo video akira boy na be kan kire say program no mo ye no e go for program free no mo ye so Sam George ene or say was spend $2 million for that program. Now video bi o haya me be bo akire o ya maame apena asare the finance ministry committee in parliament. I was also a member of the public hearing committee no. It put Sam George on uncomfortable position because of some of this money, this $2 million issue. Now, I want you to listen to me. Say, video way. The arrogance in Sam George, even though he has committed what them call a crime, no, he was still what? Arrogant. What did your video way? I am
are about making profits, and those profits they paid to you over 8 years at the finance ministry as corporate taxes. Policy decision and policy leadership ought to make sure that we took steps to protect the customer. And I'm saying that we, under this reset agenda and under a responsible government, have done so.
Minister,
no, Honorable, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this. Minister, please, I am on the floor, Minister, Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point. No, you won't heckle me. Don't play sentiment.
You, but we beg you.
Until and unless policy decision is made, Honorable, you need to rein in the Honorable member. She's being unruly.
No,
you are being unruly, please. This is unbecoming of a member of Parliament. Please, stop doing this.
Listen, you don't have the floor.
No, I have the floor. No, you have asked me a question. I have the floor. You will let me answer the question.
Minister.
No, you will let me answer the question. No, you won't do that, Abina. You won't do that today. Let me finish.
Minister, respect me.
Let me finish.
This is our committee.
No,
you don't tell us what you want to do.
But you've not brought me here to talk down on me as well.
Nobody is doing that.
So I listen to you.
Minister,
go on. You will listen to me as well.
Respectfully.
We have asked them to roll out. We have asked them.
Respect me, can you turn off your
The chair
mind?
give me the floor, please.
Minister.
Minister. Honorable, don't do this.
This is our committee. Minister, respectfully, I understand.
So if it's your committee, then don't invite us. But if you invite
Minister,
us, you ask us a question.
Minister,
so if you ask us a question, you listen to us as well.
Minister,
it's not a monologue.
Respectfully.
So respectfully, let me land.
We will let you land.
Just a minute.
Minister, respectfully, let you land. Minister, we are not coming to repeat anything. Respectfully, let you land. Please. When you come here and we address issues, it is not that we want to take anybody down. Never. You and I, we go beyond this. We go beyond this. It is not that we want to take anybody down. But Minister, the situation is serious. And that is all the sentiment I'm trying to carry across.
And that's the point I'm making. We've given a policy direction in January. On the back of our policy direction, MTN is rolling out 800 new sites. Telecel is rolling out 350 new sites. Between those two companies, you see 1,150 new sites. However, that's why I said to you that this is engineering and not sentiment. When you ask an MNO to roll out a new site, there are steps that have to be taken. First and foremost, you need to do the acquisition of the site. Then you need to then make the requisition for the radio equipment and the cell site. Those are not things that are, for want of a better phrase, in a supermarket that you just go and buy. You place an order with an OEM. The regulator, the NTA, is going through this process. Most of the MNOs are receiving their BTA devices between July and August. So yes, we have made the request. We have asked them to take the steps. They have taken the steps. But it takes time for the equipment to arrive in the country. And when the equipment arrives and they roll out the improvement, you would see the improvement in the network. But we cannot sit here after 10 years of failing to take action. Someone is taking action, and then you say that you want to see it as quickly as possible.
How many of the sites are they building this year?
This year, MTN is doing 800 new sites.
Okay.
Telecel is doing 350 new sites.
Okay.
So we're looking at 1,150 new sites this year. And I'm saying to you that over the last 10 years, from 2016,
yes,
the average has been 223 sites per year. And so if this year we are doing 1,150, we are doing a 500% increase to try and cover. And that's why I'm saying that, yes, we all go through the challenge. But I'm saying to you that you cannot will some of these things into being with a snap of a finger. It takes time. And so I'm saying that we gave that order in the first quarter of this year.
Minister.
It will take about 3 to 6 months. I am confident that by the end of Q3 going into Q4, we would see a remarkable improvement in the network.
Push through for Ministry of Finance to pay, then we all have a big problem in this country. We all have a big problem in this country. If this is how the payments were effected, we all have a big problem.
Who makes the payment on behalf of the ministry against my ministry's votes. And so that's why I'm saying that this 10.9 could not have been paid from any other source except through the Ministry of Finance,
yes,
which was done.
You know, that is what everybody comes to say here. But I'm saying that definitely it's initiated from the Ministry of Communications. And that is why I am asking, there should be some level of evidence for Ministry of Communications to initiate these amounts from their ministry to the Ministry of Finance.
Madam Chair.
You know, we work with the GIFMIS, and with these things, you need to attach documents. Finance Director, do you just get up and bring letters to Ministry of Finance to pay? Definitely, you would come with supporting documents. You heard the Ministry of Sports just leave here. And they had to confess that for one reason or the other, they were waiting for evidence that did not come, and then straight away they sent it to Ministry of Finance, and the auditors flagged it. So I'm asking, there was no evidence of work done, there was nothing, and then this was pushed through for Ministry of Finance to pay. then we all have a big problem in this country.
That is it. And to say Sam George, the arrogance in him. What did Bonnie? What did Bonnie ye pa? What in a what dino? And what dinner? Koshini. All your corruption till him said a whole bounty no. Your friend the public committee were ja. On one case, I want to say that Odin throw their pententem adwane free home because the coding program issue no ebeba bonten it is coming. Enti papa ya betre public committee anim na ye bisa na asema Odin throw otwa nkontompo promise and promise over promise. Crofo ya promising nipa so they empower their promising. And now see a man 3 months. Sika mo atua bia eho adwuma enipa behu. Yenkoba bia haya na etie. Yenkoba bia haya na etie. Yemfiri ho na ne arrogance in him. Chese omunipa akwane munipa Sam George omunipa. Mimi hu Ghana ni bia oye this type of human being. Say enipa omunipa dasani. Na nipa kasa de ho a o show this kind of yen can say superiority be e wo nipa so me hu Ghana ni amanyo ni bi o ya ade bi etisa I just say Sam George because the alata life alata way of living no e wo ni mu mi aba na akua afro me mu akwa bapa alata fo suban no e wo Sam George mu pa because oyalatani it obokro no kura na wuchina he will still have a wide mouth to cover you abusia every ministry before you do any payment to any procurement bia waye bia no you the minister you must to assure say adwuma na wo de ma sa nipa no waye answer na wo minister no wa ma kwanya say yes minister of finance go ahead and pay this person. Sam George are not the opposition and na no den na no den no and Sam George ani so 10.9 million Ghana cedis. Okwa kutua de ama company adwuma ye de ma company no wanyo. Bisa won se sika na ekọ he. Ene na ye bisa na ho asem a na no den twa da pa di nipa tem adwuma na ye no enye emotion, eye mechanics. Adwuma na ye na yese okoto nsuo wo supermarket. Such a rude way of talking. And this man wants to be called a minister. Ye champoa nkasa you can see o champoa. The man is actually insulting directly to his own colleague. Abuse of power, arrogance. This guy is a buller or a bull. Say, yam uye minister. What order juma? A 10.9 million. Say your mama sika and now papa sika and will you go ahead and pay abra unko he say juma na ye de ma won waya omoaye na asem we abeto na ye kan ye bisa ho question instead of you to concentrate as a human being no reason to say nipa no this stupid man is reason like an NDC human being adwene no ya to baby and ye politics know what them call logic in whatever they do. Stupidity at the highest level. Who born dog? Who is Sam George? I was continue anything. Chrono no dia bogan afford dia ye. Chrono a friend chrono. And Sam George ya board dia ye ene. On na man no man abatiso. Ye can na no den o mani panka. O tinipa konso tiem twampoa edidi atem. Na ekoya na ye bae. I can for pa. Yekoya nearby. Ena alatani ne free ni ma mu bedi yen so twitwa ye mpo aka de opedi a kire yen. Jimmy Nkwa, the highest level. Jimmy Nkwa, there is no plan in whatever he says. Otwate, wedi nkwasi asem. Nkwasi asem na we a issue of kickback. O kojo chefa. So you needed the money earlier than the job. Ya chill to na ye can. Ose ma yenka. Ade Sam George. Sam George. When we say and turning contompa utwa ya udinya tumi no. Tumi na memeno. Tumi na chichiro. Untumi ni tumi no money ye. Because you were not prepared for